Hello everybody. Recently at Merlin McFly we made this compression testing tool for all engines with turbo plugs. You can check all your engines easily when you just screw this one in, just like hand tight, switch it on, and you can read your compression of the engine. This one is actually a pretty good one. It has more than 1 bar. This is one of my race engines I used on the last ENS. In comparison to this one, I can show you an engine I only use for practice. It's like already super old. It has several liters on it, and you can also already see it. Not only that the reading is lower with only 0.8 bar, it's also you can also see it that it's losing compression when I leave it on the top dead point or top dead center, and that's a good indicator where you can see if your engine is still fresh or good for racing or not, and you can check all your engines between each other. One important thing is that all engines you compare with each other are almost let's say same preparation. That means, for example, you put a drop of oil on the exhaust, or for example after racing you compare one with the other, that they almost have the same the same setup for measuring your compression. So if you want to buy one of these, they are available. We machine them in-house. We assemble them. Just drop us a message to info@merlinmcfly.de, and I can send you all the details, and maybe you get one of these nice tools.